Good day, my wonderful learners. You are welcome to today's class. And the topic that we'll be considering today is cuboid. Cuboid. Please, I want to encourage you to watch my previous video where I explained the concept of a cube and I solve relevant examples on it. So this is the second one, it's number 2, whereas the cube is number 1. What is a cuboid? A cuboid is a solid with rectangular base and size. And what are the properties of a cuboid? It has 6 rectangular faces if all sides are closed. So you see, this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one of the properties of a cuboid is that it has opposite side. So this side here, the length of this side is equivalent to the length of this side. And the length of this side is also equivalent with the length of this side. The surface area of a cuboid is 6 rectangulars, which is 2xy plus 2xz plus 2yz. And 2 is a common factor, so we bring it out. And we are going to open bracket. We are going to have 2xy plus xz plus yz. Then the length of its diagonal is square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. And the volume is base area times height, which is SYZ. So let's solve this example given. A cuboid has a length 13 cm with 9 cm and height 8 cm. Calculate its surface area.
Remember,
so this is the diagram.
There is a place at the top
our
for
x
those
is
who
9
dare to
centimeter,
dream.
our y is 13 centimeter, and our z is 8 centimeter. And don't forget that the surface area formula is 2 into bracket sy plus sz plus yz. So we are going to have 2 into bracket x is 9 centimeter multiplied by 13 centimeter. Put it in bracket plus 9 centimeter, that is xz, times 8 centimeter plus 13 centimeter times 8 centimeter.
God bless the chosen one learning platform.
So we are going to have 2 into 9 times 13. 9 times 3, that's 27. We keep 2. 9 times 1, that's 9 plus 2, that's 11 centimeter squared. Plus 9 times 8, that's 72 centimeter squared. Plus 13 times 8, 8 times 3, that's 24. We keep 2. 8 times 1, that's 8 plus 2, that will give us 104 centimeter squared. Then we can add it together. So let's add the third digit first. 4 plus 2, that's 6. 6 plus 7, that's 13. We keep 1. Let's add the second digit. 1 plus 7, that's 8. Plus 0, that's 8. Plus the one that we kept, that will be 9. Then let's add the third digit. 1 plus 1, that is 2 centimeter squared. 2 into bracket 293 centimeter squared. And by the time we multiply, we are going to have 6. 18, we keep 1. 4, that will be 586 centimeter squared. That's the answer. Then let's proceed further to calculate the length of the diagonal. The length of the diagonal. The length of the diagonal is equals to square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. And what is our x? That is 9 squared plus our y, that's 13 squared, plus our z, that's 8 squared. 9 times 9 will give us 81. 13 times 13, that's 169. And 8 times 8, that's 64. So let's add square root of, let's add the third digit. 4 plus 9, that's 13. 13 plus 1, that's 14. We keep 1. So let's add the second digit now. 6 plus 6, that's 12. 12 plus 8, that's 20. Plus 1, 21, we keep 2. And let's add the third digit. So that's 2 plus 1, which will give us 3. Then by the time we find the square root of 314, we are going to have 17.72. You know that this one will be centimeter squared. So it's going to be 17.2 centimeter. Then let's calculate the third aspect, which is the volume. Volume is equals to xyz. So we are going to have the x here is 9 centimeter multiplied by the y is 13 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter. And by the time we multiply 9 by 13 and likewise 8, we are going to have 936 centimeter cube, because centimeter times centimeter will give us centimeter squared. That's another centimeter, that will be centimeter cube. So I want you to try this as well on your own. A cuboid has a length 8 centimeter with 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. Calculate its surface area, the length of the diagonal,
Thanks for watching.
Then the volume. So make sure that you drop your answer in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe, make sure that you do that right now. This is Choosing One learning platform. Like our video and share it with your loved ones. See you in other classes. Thank you.